Are you feeling overwhelmed because there's too much information on investing? Are you wondering where to begin? There are so many ways to invest, but the fastest one to learn and the one that requires the least amount of capital to get started is investing in the stock market. But there is so much information out there about the stock market that it's hard to know where to begin. So here's a roadmap. Have you ever bought stocks before? If your answer is no, then the first step is to open up a paper trading account to practice buying and selling stocks. Then move on to option with 7-step learning process. Step 1 is to learn how to use options to buy stocks. Step 2 is to practice step number 1. Step 3 is to learn how to use options to sell stocks. Step 4 is to practice step number 3. Step 5 is to learn how to choose stocks. Step 6 is to learn how to value stocks. And step 7 is to learn how to read charts. And if you have bought stocks before, then the next question is, have you traded options before? And if not, then move on to option with 7-step learning process. If you have, then the next thing to do is to learn how to use options to buy and sell stocks. This is a combination of steps 1 and 3 of option with 7-step learning process. The next thing to do is to practice how to use options to buy and sell stocks, which is a combination of steps 2 and 4. Then move on to step 5, step 6, and step 7. This is the way to use options with value investing strategies, which, in my opinion, is the only non gambling way to use options. The estimated time to learn this process ranges between 3.5 hours to 12.5 hours, depending on individuals' knowledge and experience in the stock market. And I have some good news, guys. I've uploaded my options presentations video on my website. This pre recorded presentation is more affordable to you and more time savings for me. This presentation covers step 1 through 4 of option with 7-step learning process. I'm working on recording the presentations for the rest of the steps, but I'm not quite there yet. My goal is to get all of my presentations recorded by the end of the year, but hoping to finish sooner than that. Now you have an option to take the online course or to schedule one-on-one sessions with me. Make sure to visit www.optionwits.com. Thank you.